I saw this puzzle on Facebook, and everyone was getting the answer wrong, and I couldn't resist but do it with my students. So here we have a picture of triangles, okay? There are many triangles. So they ask people, how many triangles are there? And then they tell them their personality. Very cute. I think it's just a way of seeing how many people actually get it wrong. So here we go. How many triangles are there? Well, I'm going to start off by showing you row by row. Okay, one of the things about mathematics that I love is that it helps you to order your thoughts in your mind. Another thing that I love about math is it helps you to see that it comes in layers. There are layers. Another thing is there's patterns to things. So here we go. We start off, okay, I'll use gray here. You have this little triangle on the left, right? Then you have this little triangle in the middle and this little triangle on the right. There are 3 triangles of that size in the first row. Okay, so that's 3. We'll do it by row. Okay, one of the things that's really great about the Math Olympiads is that it teaches kids to problem solve. And if, you know, you're never too old, honestly, to do any kind of problem solving in mathematics. So now we take a look on the first row. There are 2 triangles of this size. 1, 2. Okay, then we look at the first row and we can see that there is 1 large triangle. This one. Okay, so there are 6 triangles in the first row. Well, what's so great about this is that when you go to the next row, there will be the same situation. And when you go to the next row, the same situation. So there are going to be 18, but let's look at them. So here we go. Next row. Whoop. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4, 5, right? And then 6. So, oh, just undoes everything when I do that. Lovely. So now I go to the last row. And in the last row, I have the same situation. There you go. 1, right? 2, 3, and then 4, 5, and 6. So that is why there are 18 triangles. All right. Hope you found that challenge fun.